Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Another useful and informative video which is about how to fix no service on iPhone after iOS 17 update. So how to fix this issue? First of all, I will request to my all friends, please subscribe and share my YouTube channel. Press the bell icon for more latest video. So do not waste any time, fix this issue first of all. So you have check the date and time must be correct on your iPhone. So then you have open the setting and click on general. So you have click on date and time. So you have must be correct on your iPhone. Then your problem is fixed and do not facing this issue on iPhone. So then first solution is not working. The second solution you have turn on and off 3 or 4 times airplane mode on iPhone. So then you have turn on, turn off, turn on, turn off 3 or 4 times. Then your problem will be fixed. If there are second solution is not working, the third solution you have out the SIM card on your iPhone. So then you have clean with the bush or change you want be, then you have change or clean. So from you have so then you have from so uh, sim card out the change or clean you want, then you have problem you have then change the insert on your iPhone, then your problem will be fixed. If the third solution is not working, the fourth solution you have update iOS latest version on your iPhone. So then you have again open the setting, click on general. So then you have click on software update. Software update iOS latest version available on your iPhone. So then you have must be update on your iPhones, and then your problem will be fixed and 100% working. If there are this solution is not working, the last solution you have reset network setting. So then again open the setting and click on general. So then scroll up, then you have click on transfer or reset, then you have click on reset. So then you have click on reset network setting, iPhone given a passcode, then you have taken a passcode. Do not lose any data on your iPhone, only reset setting, reset network setting on your iPhone, then your problem will be fixed and 100% working on your iPhone. So hopefully guys, after watching this video you will all know. If you have any problems, so please let me know in the comments box. Thanks for watching, see you in the next video. Do not forget subscribe and share my YouTube channel. Allah Hafiz.